Hello, this is Eric with Band Group, and today's video I'm going to cover the people web part. The people web part can be used to display a team to other departments or an intranet. It can also be used for contact information or to highlight key members of a group. So let's get right to it. So here we are at the Learn at Contoso page, and here's where we have trainings, we have workshops for our employees. So we do have an event coming up, so I'm gonna add a people web part to display which are gonna be our next speakers. So I'm gone into edit mode. I'm gonna add the people web part here. People, and this is very simple to use. I'm gonna title this one speakers, since those are the people that are gonna be displaying here. All I have to do is type in their name or email. So our first speaker is going to be Lynn Robbins. Then we have Patty Fernandez. We also have Isaiah and Joanna. Okay, and you can see how simple it is to add the users to the people web part, and it's very helpful. It adds information to the user, and they can also easily know who to expect and learn more information about them. So this is one way of displaying it, but if you want to add more detail, if you have more space, you can go into the edit web part and choose the descriptive format. You can see it enlarged the tiles, and you can add a description and add a profile link for each person. So you can see how this could be very helpful for an intranet, or where you're a team page where you want to display your team to other departments across your organization. And my favorite part is that, it adds a face to the name. So it makes everyone feel connected. And that is all I have for this video. Thank you for joining us, and I hope you learned something new.